Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy any tablet from Samsung or Apple iPad, in that case this sale will definitely disappoint you. This is not the kind of sale you were waiting for a long time. The price of each and every tablet, especially from Samsung and Apple, are on the higher side. So people had no chance to buy any tablet. Though the sale is still going on, but I will not recommend you to buy any Samsung or Apple product. The reason behind this is very simple. If you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, you can see that the price is above 45,000 rupees, and few months back it was available under 30,000 sometimes during offers. Similarly, in case of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, many people bought this tablet at around 30,000 price bracket, and for Tab S10 FE Plus, many people grabbed the deal of 10 FE Plus at around 38 to 40,000 price point. One of the users asked me that he wants to buy a tablet from Samsung because it keeps regular software updates, the display quality is excellent, and the note-taking experience will be very good. So I suggested him to buy Tab S10 FE Plus, but not this time. Maybe in Big Billion Days sale or any time you can get sale on flipkart.com. The thing is that you have to be aware and regularly check flipkart.com, or you can follow my videos. In that video you can get the deal offers. And if you are planning to buy iPad, in that case maybe iPad Air M3 or M4 be available during Big Billion Days sale, when you can get good discounts on those iPads. But currently the price is very high, so it will be a wise decision not to buy any tablet or iPad in these sales. But if you are planning to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in that case you can buy from Amazon.in at 30,000 or 31,000 rupees. And if you are planning to buy Redmi tablets, in that case also you can get good offers, though not excellent. So choose your tablet according to your priorities and according to your task. If you are planning to buy a tablet for note-taking and video consumption, in that case Samsung tablets are the best tablet. But if you want processor and good video editing skill, in that case iPad may be considered. And if you want a mid-range tablet, in that case Oppo, Poco and OnePlus and Redmi can be bought. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you have already purchased any tablet in this sale or not. Many people actually commented that they have bought Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, some people bought Redmi products, and some people bought OnePlus tablets. You can also share your thoughts with me if you are interested, and I will post another video about tablets, deals and the best price. So you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.